Step and repeat effect is an amazing way to clone or duplicate objects in CorelDRAW. So this how it will give you, this how it works to give you perfect lining, spacing in between objects. I have this object here similar to, let's say it's like a passport. So let's go in to it. Come to edit menu. Can you see it here? Step and repeat. So you click, I've already clicked on it earlier, so we'll click on it again. Step and repeat. Ctrl Shift D to pop up the Ducos. So let me change this units to inches. So here it is. The spacing, this is how it works. We'll have horizontal settings and we'll have vertical settings. The horizontal settings are the settings that start from the right to left or left to right, while vertical are the settings that start from top to bottom or bottom to top. So here it is. You need to understand what's the meaning of horizontal and vertical before getting it here. So let's start with the horizontal aspect, which is from here to here. I will put the spacing here. It's here under horizontal setting here. Horizontal setting here. Here this menu will be space between objects, and under the vertical setting there will be no offset. This is the first thing you do. Once, if you want to start, the one you are starting with will be spacing between objects, while the other one will be no offset. Don't forget. So this place will be, the distance will be 0.2, 0.02, 0.02 inches. 0.02 inches. It means there will be one blade. For example, those are cutting with cutting machine or with scissors. It's only one scissors that will be, you don't need to trim it after cutting it once. It's one cut. That's what it means. So the direction will be from right. It will start from left to right, which is just keep it at right. That is, it will be going to the right side. So how many numbers do you want? Number of copy. I prefer keeping it in one. So leave it in one. So you apply. You apply. You apply. You might be seeing it as if there's no space in between them, but there's space. Let's zoom it down using the zoom tool. Can you see it? There's space in between them. To F4. So you can highlight this, click and drag over it using the pick tool. Then you turn this space, this horizontal settings to be no offset. Then move down to the vertical setting. Turn it to space in between, space between objects. So the same, I recommend using the same distance, which is 0.02 in the both the horizontal and vertical settings. So this will be 0.02. So the direction is coming from up top to bottom, which is, it will be down. Can you see it? Down, not up. It's going down. So the copy should be 1 also. So click on it. You click on it. This is how it is. You can zoom down to see how it works. See, you don't need to press Ctrl R, Ctrl D, Ctrl C, Ctrl copy, Ctrl V. This is the fastest way and the perfect way to do it. Here it is. Now I want to preview. Here it is. Yes, it's perfect. I have 12 objects, the layer. So here it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more awesome videos like this, and don't forget to subscribe. You're welcome.